We know what you're up against, and it's tight. Tight spaces, tight labor markets, tight timelines and budgets. You need something to lighten the load. You need Ames Deringer. The shortest, lightest, and only backflow preventer with a stainless steel body and shutoffs. Deringer backflow assemblies are the perfect fit for tight mechanical rooms and lean installation teams. Mount them horizontally or vertically without worrying about head loss, because Deringer was built to ensure maximum pressure after the backflow preventer. Short lay length for simple and cost-effective installation. Lightweight for trouble-free purchase, shipping, and installation. Superior check design ensures low head loss during low and high flow operations, and a large access port for easy service and repair. When the job calls for the perfect fit on a tight timeline, the job calls for Deringer. For additional details on Deringer backflow assemblies, including installation, head to watts.com/Deringer.